Hey guys, I'm Julian. I'm an ambassador for Ooni and I'm really excited to be here today at Ooni HQ. I'm going to show you how to make 2 pizzas that are completely free from dairy or meat. Many people are reducing the amount of meat and dairy that they eat, and I've been spending a load of time working out ways to make a delicious vegan pizza at home. The 2 pizzas I'm going to show you both use homemade plant-based ricotta, and we've made a separate video that shows you how to make that yourself. The first pizza I'm going to make is a classic pairing of spinach and ricotta. Here we have our delicious almond ricotta, some slow cooked onions, sautéed spinach, semi-dried marinated tomatoes for some extra sweetness, and our classic Ooni pizza sauce. Let's make a pizza. We start with a thin layer of our tomato sauce. Then we add a generous layer of onions. Now our spinach. Make sure you drain this well, as we don't want to have too much moisture. Now our ricotta goes on. Finally, a few of our delicious tomatoes. The second pizza is a less traditional pairing. We have here a roasted squash sauce, essentially squash that's been roasted, liquidized with some water and vegan butter. The second topping are these lovely candied chilies, and they're dead easy to make, and you'll find the method in the recipe online. First we add the squash sauce. Now our ricotta goes on. And then as many candied chilies as you dare. To finish the pizza, we take about 4 to 6 leaves and crush them lightly over the pizza.